Hi, cordial greetings to three companies. My name is Luis Giovanni Murillo Rua. I am I am from the city of Palmira, Valle del Cauca. I am 24 years old. I am studying industrial energy in the UNAM. I practice social. We can currently live with my mother, Fabiola Rua Montaño. Um, she is 46 years old. Um, um, she is ancestral. My sister Eneida Murillo Rua. She is 10 years old. Black hair. Mm, Thank you very much.